Welcome back, YouTube. So we're gonna do a 1-year review on my 2021 Kauffman 5,000-pound trailer, one car hauler. Overall, this thing has been great. This thing has been really good. I mean, it's got a little surface rust, just regular wear and tear, but the ramps slide out from under there. This thing has been so good to me. I've hauled a lot of cars with this thing. Tires are still in really good shape. I drove it back from North Carolina. No problem. Put these in here. I just got to do something with the deck before it rots out. Overall, I'm very impressed with this trailer. This thing can hold 5,000 pounds. What we pay for this? Just under 4,000. You know, still haven't even touched the spare yet. You know. Only issue is when we first used it, first put one of the cars on, and we opened this up and we slid this back, this tailgate back. So this opens up like this. Then you got the ramp in here. It slides out. See? So problem we had was if you leave these out and you have a low car, you're gonna hit the front bumper or the front lip of that car. So you have to close this back up or you're gonna regret it. Trust me, I learned the hard way. That was one of the problems. And the electrical wires came out because they tacked them up through here underneath. So when you put the ramps in, the ramps nicked the wire. So other than that, we went right back and got it fixed. They refixed it for free. Kauffman's really good company. It took them like 3-4 months to build it, but other than that. Oh, and if you have a little car, here's a trick. While it's hooked up to your pickup truck, lower this, put some blocks up, make it real high, and jack this up like this. Jack it up, bring it up as high as it can go. As it brings it up, it'll bring the tail down, and you can take really low cars. Because if you don't, crunch. So here's a tip for you today. But overall, I love this trailer. Worth every penny. I'm gonna do some touch-up painting it probably next week, so it doesn't rust out to shit. It's only 1 year old and it's been fantastic. No problems. If you're new to my channel, this is a trucking channel. We do car hauling, we do trucking, we do repairs on the house. We do it all, baby. Please like, share, subscribe. We have a bunch of content coming out, especially with this truck, because like someone backed into me and I got to do some body work here, so we're gonna do a video on that. We got a Freightliner Coronado, and we're always buying some cool stuff from Harbor Freight. So yeah, if you guys don't have one of these and you like to clean stuff like trucks or houses, this is your guy. This thing works great. This thing works really good. I will recommend getting one of these. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe.